Ladies and gentlemen, dames and heren, today I have a freestanding house for sale in Observatory. This gives you a sense of the street in front. You can notice that the house is freestanding on both ends. There's a double freestanding little flat at the back, if you can call it like that. In the distance you see Table Mountain, and there are olive trees in the front here in the street. There's also mangoes. You have a mango tree here, and on this side there's a separate entrance, if you like, that wraps around the back of the property. Right in front you have a small indigenous garden with some can't remember now, herbs, and this gives you a sense of what it looks like in the front here, all peaceful and quiet under the mango tree. Let's go and see what it looks like on the inside. It's a passage that runs right through to the back of the house. It's got an electricity distribution board here. All the rooms in this house is spacious and big. This one, the first on the left, has loads of built-in cupboards. As you can see, there is bay and sash windows. The floors are beautiful. They need the sand. But that is the first room in the house. You can see it also has this motifs on the wall that dates back from the Victorian times. This is your second room while we are having load shedding in Observatory. It has high ceilings and spacious rooms. There are 3 bedrooms in this house. We've seen 2 of them. The third room is in here. Unfortunately, that's not accessible right now, but when you make an appointment to view, then you can also see what that room looks like. Look at the fireplace. As you can see, with the big furniture in here, it's a spacious lounge also. There's a happy door to the kitchen and bathroom area. Here is washing day today. There's a washing machine and dryer facilities, water closet. You can see the bath is one of those old cast iron baths, and it has a huge shower and handbasin. Enter into the kitchen. It is all still very much 60s style of kitchen that how they live here. It's a eating kitchen. You can see there's a little table here. There's a huge gas stove, and there are sliding doors that opens to your courtyard at the back. The courtyard is very pleasant. It's low maintenance, cemented here. A storeroom, a very small storeroom right over there. We're going to look at that separate entrance, flat lit just now. Look at this area where you can sit out here with built-in seating, and then around the side of the house there's an avocado pear tree here, and you can see there is that separate entrance. The little flat, it just consists of 2 rooms. It's a storage area basically at the moment. The owner has moved to England, and her son is still staying behind here, but you can also see the extent of the room here. You can easily put a 3/4 bed in here, as the one you see at the bottom there. If you want to see more, hotpropertyincapetown.com. That's where you will find the floor plan and all the pictures and my detail I would love to show you around. Werner, I'm your man. Thank you for watching.